Journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step. And today I'm here to initiate that very first step in losing your face fat with my easy and effective exercises. With the help of these face fat reduction exercises, you can get a slim face, remove your double chin and chubby cheeks. Also, get a chiseled jawline and a defined chin. When I was a kid, I was always this cute little chubby child in the family where everybody would love pulling my cheeks and they would keep commenting me and complimenting me about my chubby cheeks, my dimples and how cute I looked. After growing up, when I went into family functions, met people, even my friend circle, they would call me potato face, they would call me, oh, have you got a donut in each cheek? And they would, from chubby cheeks, it had graduated to fat face. Here comes the fat face. Hey fatty, how much more will you eat? Well, I just felt humiliated and I had to do something about it. Now, while I could do anything to conceal the fat on my body, how on earth could I conceal the fat on my face? Yeah, I know what you're thinking. The cosmetic industry always comes to our aid, doesn't it? We can contour our face, we can do makeup, even we can actually cover our face with our hair. But for how long? It's all a temporary solution. So I was looking for a permanent solution. And then I came across these face fat exercises which came to my relief. I'd like to make a special mention here about the people who have benefited immensely from these very exercises, be it my friends, my family and complete strangers who attend the workshops which I take often. And where would I look for my motivation? Because we all need that one person or that one place where we can derive our strength from. So my strength came from a fabulous Bollywood actor called Kareena Kapoor Khan. As you can see, she was so fat at one time, but she managed to turn it around to look like this. Look at her jawline, look at her chiseled face and how pretty she looks. So attractive. Well, she might be looking beautiful here, but here is a complete world of change, isn't it? So aren't you all excited to change your world too? Get rid of that face fat. So while it's time to give it back to the bullies, now I will be telling you the reasons for your face fat. And trust me, you will be shocked beyond belief when you come to know the right reason behind your face fat. So the number one reason for your face fat is a high sodium and sugar diet. Have you been eating too much of junk food lately? Having a lot of processed food? Well, that's the first reason why you're gaining so much of fat on your face. Number two reason is stress. So if you're stressed, you will be sleep deprived, you won't be able to sleep on time, because of which when you wake up the next morning, you will have this weird puffiness on your face. The number three reason for your face fat is water retention. While our body is made up of 70% of water, there are a lot of people who either drink too less or too much of it, which is also not good, and your body starts retaining that water, which leads to again the little swelling that you see on your face, the puffiness, and that is what also contributes to your face fat. The number four reason for your face fat is genetics. I know what you're thinking, so if it's genetics, then how do you fight that? Well, I am a living example right here in front of you. Genetically, I have a chubby face. Now, while I was doing these exercises, I realized there is a way to get over it. It is possible, and I'm telling you all out there, if your problem is genetic, look at me. If I can do it, so can you. Number five reason for your face fat is the obvious reason is you being overweight. Well, if your body is fat, chances are your face will also be fat. So if you're looking to reduce that face fat, that you also lose your body fat. Don't forget to watch this video right till the end, because I'm going to give you a very exciting fat cutter drink recipe which is going to help you lose not just your face fat but full body fat. But first, in the comment section, do let me know which one of these reasons is your reason for face fat. So the first exercise to reduce your face fat is very simple. All you have to do is squeeze your tongue with the inner part of your cheeks. Please look. Like this. It's very easy and very effective. Once you squeeze it in, count till 10 and then release. And then again you can squeeze, hold it till 10 counts and then release again. contour your faces and have that chiseled cheekbone. It's all going to come with this very exercise. It's very effective. As you can see, I have it too. I'm sure I must be doing something right. So I have let you into my secret of a high cheekbone and how to get it. So the next exercise is about rinsing. I'm sure you rinse with water every morning and whatever, but have you tried rinsing with air? It's very easy and you can do it anytime, anywhere. Have a look. All you have to do is fill in as much air as you can in your mouth, and then you have to rinse. This is very easy, and you can already see the muscles over here getting tighter, and you're working your muscles here because the facial muscles are least worked the whole day. We walk, we exercise, but for face we do nothing. That's why these exercises come in so handy. So you can do about 10 to 20 reps of this and you will see the face fat vanished. So the third exercise is also very easy. All you have to do is blow kisses. Not straight ahead, but up there. So when we look up, it's also going to elongate our neck and help us get rid of the double chin, and it's very effective to give us this nice cheekbone, which we all have always wanted. You know, people with chubby cheeks, they often face this problem. So this is where this exercise will come in handy. Now the fourth exercise is very easy. Have you heard of this character Joker? And have you seen how wide his smile is? You have to smile just as wide, but without showing your teeth. Just like this. And then you have to come forward, make a pout, and go back again into the same position. Have a look. Try and do this really fast, and it's going to help you immensely. Don't hold at the count of 5 while you're here in this broad wide smile position. Instead, go and come back. Go and come back. That is what is really going to cause these muscles to get in action and help you reduce the face fat. So like I promised, it's that time when I need to share the recipe with you. But this video is getting a bit too long. So why not go on to my Instagram page? I'm going to share the link above and below in the description. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page and have a look at the fabulous food recipes, healthy recipes, and the fat cutter drink which you've been waiting for. I'll see you again with many more exciting videos.